Hey everyone, my name is Masha and today I'm going to be making a beautiful snowflake friendship bracelet. So it's close enough to Christmas now that I don't feel weird about putting up my Christmas decorations, so I thought I'd do something for my channel as well, and I found this beautiful snowflake pattern that I really wanted to make, so I thought, you know, why not go ahead and film myself doing it? So come along this ride with me as I make this friendship bracelet and talk to you guys. Right, so I've never done a voiceover before, and this is my first ever attempt, and I'm gonna try to do this in one take, but it's probably not gonna be one take, so bear with me. So as you can see, I started off with this filming angle, which I thought looked really pretty, which is why I did it originally, but as you can see, like, the camera is wobbling and stuff, and it was really difficult to actually make the bracelet with a camera, like, right in front of your face. So I ended up switching the angle in just a bit, alright, as you can see here. And also, you may have noticed that here in this one, I started the bracelet from the beginning again, even though I already had like a couple of minutes working on it. That was because I made a mistake in the original clip that you saw. And so, yeah, I had to like undo the entire thing and do it from the beginning. Which was a pain and took me a while to do, to like undo the entire bracelet. But, you know, it was worth it in the end because I got the result that I needed. Which is to say that, you know, no matter how much experience you have making bracelets, you're always going to make mistakes. And, yeah, you have to deal with them. By the way, I'm going to be making a video about how to fix your bracelet mistakes in... well, I mean, quite soon, actually, so yeah, if there are any mistakes specifically that you want me to talk about, I'm probably going to be talking about, like, oh, when you make a wrong knot, what do you do when you run out of string, what do you do, and, like, just basic stuff like that. But if there's anything specific you want me to talk about, just, you know, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, I made a mistake. I had to undo the entire bracelet, which took me longer than actually making the bracelet, which is ridiculous. It always takes you longer to undo your mistakes than to do your mistakes, which sucks, but you know, that's just life. But yeah, I thought I'd do this angle instead because it was much easier to make the bracelet without, you know, a camera right in front of my face, even though the shot would have been nicer the first way. But yeah, even though, like, surprisingly, this seems like a very comfortable way to make a bracelet, you know, just like pin it on the table or whatever, it really isn't. And like, I'm not used to making my bracelet where there is a table underneath the bracelet. What I usually do is I like put the bracelet on the edge of the table so that it's, you know, only the edge of it is like, it's attached, but the bracelet is completely free and there's nothing underneath it, which is much easier for me to make a bracelet that way. So this was quite challenging because, like, I've never actually filmed myself making a bracelet entirely. I usually just film like a small percentage, like a small portion of me making the bracelet. So yeah, filming the entire bracelet like that was actually quite challenging, just because I've never done that before and it wasn't something that I'm used to. So in the very end, you might see that the bracelet comes out, I mean, it comes out nice. It's not terrible. It comes out really beautiful, I would say, because I really like the pattern, but it does come out a little bit wonky. So like, usually my bracelets come out with really nice straight edged lines, but this one came out like slightly wonky and there were some mistakes in a few areas. I think that is due to the fact that it was extremely uncomfortable for me to make the bracelet like this, just purely because I haven't done it before. So yeah, I'm going to be filming more videos. By the way, I wanted to mention that, yeah, I'm going to be filming quite a few Christmas videos this year, just because I have so many Christmas patterns that I like and I want to share with you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be filming more Christmas videos and hopefully, you know, I'll get used to making bracelets on a table because it makes for a much nicer shot than, you know, otherwise. So yeah, I do have quite a few Christmas video ideas that I want to put out into the world, just purely because I love making bracelets and I love seeing time lapses of me making bracelets, because I think I mentioned this in a previous video, it just makes me feel like such a good sense of like accomplishment because I see how quickly everything is being made. Even though, by the way, this video is like sped up 18 times. So this bracelet, the entirety of this bracelet took me like 4 hours or something. So yeah, this is sped up 18 times and it's like 10 minutes, which is crazy. But yeah, I really enjoy just the speed of it, like how it's made like really quickly. So I don't know, I want to make a few videos like that, and I have some ideas. So yeah, let me know if you are interested in that, because I mean, I'm gonna make them regardless, but I would prefer it if, you know, someone gets some enjoyment out of it. So yeah, I realized that I haven't really said much about myself on my channel before, and now that I have like quite a few new subscribers, like obviously in terms of YouTube it's not a lot, but it is a lot for me because like I never expected anyone to watch my videos, and like over 500 subscribers is like a lot of people. So yeah, I thought I'd mention something about myself. As you know, like my name is Masha Nuts on YouTube. My real name is actually Masha, but my full name is Maria. And I am bilingual. I am from both England and Russia, so I speak English and Russian, you know, as a native language. And the name Masha in Russian is like the shortened, like the, I don't know, the family or like friendly name of Maria. So yeah, my English name, my English friends call me Maria, but yeah, my Russian friends call me Masha, and I thought that it sounds better, Masha Nuts, than Maria Nuts. I don't know why. So yeah, that's how my name, my YouTube name came to be. Yeah, so as you may have noticed, like my previous videos, my earlier YouTube videos, they are in Russian, because the time I was filming them in like 2015, I don't know, I wanted to film them in Russian, and then I stopped filming videos for like 3 years, and when I decided I want to make friendship bracelet videos again, I just decided I'm gonna do them in English. I try to do captions in both Russian and English for all of my videos, so if you do want to look at my previous videos that are in Russian, you can still watch them because I do have English captions on them that I have made myself. But you know, just it takes time and it takes a while for me to do so. Like my recent videos, they don't really have Russian captions, at least not all of them. I think one of them does. So I'm working on that, but you know, it takes time. Just making the videos takes a lot of time and effort. So yeah. Wow, that 7 minutes have gone by in the video. Wow, look at that. This is my first time ever recording a voiceover, and I had no idea how this is gonna go, but you know, I've been speaking for 7 minutes now, so I guess that went well. But yeah, that's my name. I am currently living in London, and I am studying at university, which is why it takes me ages to make videos. Because I have university and, you know, coursework and stuff I have to deal with. Also a part-time job. So that's fun. But yeah, I am really passionate about these bracelet videos. I quite enjoy making them. And, you know, the main reason I make them is because, you know, I want human interaction. That's the only reason. Because none of my friends in real life, nobody really in my real life is passionate about friendship bracelets at all. So I am, and I wanted to share that with someone. So yeah, that's the main reason I made my channel, is just that I want some human interaction. I want to talk to people who are as passionate about bracelets as I am, and who enjoy it, who enjoy making them. Because like a lot of my friends are like, oh, why do you do this? Like it's just, it takes so much time, and then you never do anything with them. Because I never do anything with my bracelets. They just lie there. I make them, and then they lie there in a box. I do nothing with them. They're just there. But I don't know, I love the process. I love the process of creation. It's just like this seemingly tedious task. You repeat it over and over and over again, and then just look, like, it's been, what, 8 minutes of the video. Obviously it's been much longer in real time, but just look how much I have already created. Like, that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 snowflakes already done. I don't know, just the process of creation is beautiful to me. So yeah, the main reason I created this channel is to have some human interaction. So yeah, when you watch my videos, just, you know, leave a comment, leave a like, whatever. Just, I really enjoy the human interaction. Like a lot of, you know, when YouTubers get big or whatever, they lose this human interaction factor, which I think is quite sad, because isn't that the best part of posting videos to YouTube? Like, having human interaction? I don't know. So I quite enjoy. I read all of the comments that you guys put in my comment sections. I read all of your messages on Instagram. I really enjoy it when you do reach out to me. So yeah, leave a comment. Tell me a bit about yourself. I'd love to get to know you guys a bit more, like the people who actually watch my videos, because for me right now, I'm just sitting in my room talking to a camera, so that is a bit weird. But yeah, I would like to get to know you guys a bit better, so yeah, let me know. Yeah, and also just let me know what you want to see on my channel, because obviously I have some ideas that I want to do, which are fun for me, but I do want you guys to have a good time as well, so yeah, just drop me a message or something. Oh, I think at this point, maybe not at this point, I can't really tell in the video. Yeah, I think at this point already I am making like the ties at the end, so I'm like, what I did with this bracelet is I did like the beginning as a triangle and the end as a triangle. Oh right, you're gonna be able to see here. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I really like this pattern. I think it's very Christmassy and beautiful. I love the snowflake of it, but as you can see, yeah, it is a bit wonky at the sides. I mean, it's not terrible, but it is a bit wonky. And there, you can see the ties. I have a video dedicated to that, of like how to make them, so you can watch that if you want to. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.